Hello everybody. It is March 19th, 2017. I'm out on the pond tonight with another motor. This motor you might recognize. I bought this motor from my buddy Ron Baker last October, and I have done a test barrel run on this motor also. This is the first time I've had it on a boat. All I did to it since I got it from him was replace that water tube grommet that I talked about in the last video, and I went ahead and set the points with my timing fixture, and we're out giving it a try on the boat tonight, just for grins. I'm planning on running this motor quite a bit this season, so I wanted to get it dialed in. This is the one that he bought last year at Tomahawk, and he had replaced the power head. It now has a 1959 Evinrude Golden Jubilee 10 horse power head on it, and it's running quite nicely. It's doing very well. But I got the points set and figured I'd take it for a little run. So we'll show you how it turned out. I'm sure you'll see another video of this one on the lake this summer, because I can't really stretch its legs here in the pond, but I'll run it a little bit and make sure everything's working out. So here we go. I'm going to back up and get away from shore, and we'll see that reverse is working. A little cold that's popping there. Idle it down, see how it's going to do. Hi, kiddo. Alright, idle's down nice. I'm sure you can figure out what the OJR is for. Anyway, that'll do it on this one for now until we run around the lake. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye-bye.